Hello everyone. In my last video, I showed you the installation of Windows 7, but it was not activated. So in this video, I will be activating it. I found this site where you can find Windows product keys, activators, etc. and its link is in description. Obviously, not all keys work, so I checked many of them, then I saw this message that this product key will not work with this edition of Windows since I have installed Home Premium version which was pretty less known, so it was to be expected. After that, I selected Windows Anytime Upgrade option in Control Panel and entered this product key, which worked. And now I have fully activated Windows 7 Ultimate. Thanks for watching.